What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an installation video on how to replace your rear tire on a Gotrax scooter. I've done the front tire already. This is a honeycomb tire as well. If you're planning on replacing this back tire, I highly suggest getting the honeycomb style tire. This is actually a airless tire, so no inner tubing like that, because the inner tube will break on you at least one time per year. As you see, like a lot of people have that same issue. That's why you're replacing the tire right now, because the inner tube failed. So go ahead, invest the money. It's about the same price as get a whole airless tire and never replace it again for the life of the scooter. That's about an 8.5 inch, I believe. Comes with a pry tool, but let's get into the video. So first thing we're gonna do is get this rear tire off. It's not that hard at all. So it's a cover right here, this little bolt right here. Same thing on the other side, cover right here. You're gonna take the bolt off right there. So 4 screws in total, should slip right on off. I highly suggest getting yourself a Allen set toolkit. Allen key toolkit. This will help you do any maintenance on your scooter. So go ahead, get this toolkit. You will need this. So first thing you need is a 2.5 millimeter screw or Allen key, and this will remove the cover for both sides. So hopefully these don't strip. Yep. Super simple, super easy, and this just slides right on off. Do the same thing for both sides. And this one right here is a 5 millimeter Allen key, so fits in there. So once both of those bolts are out, the wheel literally just slides up and out. So just like I did here, slide up and out. All right, so these next steps take a bit more effort. So we have to get the old tire off, and this will just involve just, trying to stretch the tire over the rim. Usually I would use WD-40. That's why I did it for the front tire, but I did not have WD-40 on me this time, so I have to use pure manpower. Remember, the tire does come with a pry bar, so this will help you out. So I went ahead and put shoes on, because my tactic for getting the tire off is just to step on it like a hydraulic press pretty much and just push the tire off. But if you have WD-40, that will be your best friend in this job right here. As you see, I got the pry tool all the way through. I have it flipped over. All I'm doing is just stepping on it and trying to push it all the way outside the tire. Now, if you're sitting there watching this video and you bought a tire with an inner tube in it, please go ahead and take that back right now, because you do not want to do this job again. Get the airless tire. It will save you a bunch of time. All right, 30 minutes in. This is how far we are. Almost got it off. Finally. All right. Airless tire, link in the description below. And like I said before, usually I would spray this whole thing down with WD-40, and that will allow it to slip on easier, but I do not have WD-40 today, so I'm going to just try to manhandle this thing on. Now, this is a full body installation. You have to put your knee on the tire right here, your other knee on that side of the rim, and literally push this thing onto the rim. Like I said, WD-40 is the absolute best option when it comes to installing this this tire right here. All right, let's get into it. So go ahead and put some sturdy pants on. If you have a hydraulic press or some clamps, that should work out better. But if you don't, go ahead and take that knee, put it right here. And all you're gonna do is just try to press it on and get it over each bevel. Now, I can't really show you the whole process. I don't have a good camera stand, but I'll show you some old footage of how I did this, so you can watch that. All right, no WD-40, almost there. Gotta lift it up right here. Just kind of tuck it in and then pry it. All right, got half the tire on. Now I just gotta stick the pry tool in right here, lift it up and over, hopefully. All right, so if you're at this point right here where the wheel isn't completely straight, and try and get the edge or the bevel over, the edge over the little bevel right here, you can take a large Allen key, stick it into the hole. Let's say this portion right here that won't sit flush, stick this into the hole like this, and literally leverage that up so you can stick the pry tool back up and behind there. Once you get the pry tool in there, you can slide all the way through it and just literally pull the wheel or pull the tire all the way over until it seats flat like that right there. And just go all the way around and do the same thing. So stick into the hole, push this through, bring it right back over. All right, so I just finished installation, and I gotta say, this rides 100 times smoother than it did before. Now, I was riding with a flat tire for a while, but once I put this new airless tire on there, oh my gosh, it was skating. It was very nice, very smooth. So if you wanna get this tire right here, link in the description below. Hopefully this video helps you out. Have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I also have a link to this toolkit right here on Amazon. Link in the description below. It's like $9. So $9 for this, 13 bucks for the tire. It was a very good deal here. So that's how I do the whole installation. WD-40 will make this easier. Yeah, like I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching.